When I make pies, it has to be done exactly as I like it and not with my lovely wife's extras.
Why not?
Because
It's OCD when it comes to it.
Well, I'm gonna make it extra.
okay, good. That's okay.
Look, you see?
It's
better than me,
okay.
Skylar.
You get special privilege today.
Maybe next time I go to Lord and Taylor, maybe you come with me.
Yeah. It's hard, but it's real. You know what I'm saying? It's hard, but it's real. Hey. Been thinking, baby. I finally took the time. The wound is healing now. And now I realize.
Hola! Yeah, we're making some pie today. Potato.
Nah.
It's potatoes.
No, these are not.
Sweet potato.
What are they?
Sweet potato pies. No.
Potatoes, sweet potatoes. Anyway, we're making a sweet potato pie today. Oh, and this is my family. This is Auntie Nicole, and this is Uncle Tim.
Hey!
Sorry, Casey.
And Hunter.
We're making these pies because of Thanksgiving.
We just get started. What we do here is
Is that hot?
it's
None of
warm. You start with the
Excuse me,
potato.
guys. I'll be right back.
Start with...
We start with the potato. We peel the potato. Once the potatoes are peeled, we add some butter, a few sticks of butter. Potatoes were baked at 350 degrees for an hour. We peel these, we put it in the pot, in the pan. We'll mix it up, add some carnation milk. You got some eggs, you got some sugar, you got some vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg.
Nutmeg. What does that taste like?
You know they make nutmeg in the country where your grandparents are from and your dad's family is from. In order to peel it, you open it up,
Doesn't matter if I cut
get the skin off.
Let me show you an easy way that I do it, Sky. I usually take the knife right up under the skin.
Then once you get it open,
You see?
cut it. Just put it in there.
Why just slam it in there?
We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pies.
On to the next step. I don't know what the next step is, but
Now that we are finished with the sweet potatoes, now we're gonna make the mixture that goes into the sweet potatoes. What I like to do is to normally put that into a separate bowl and then mix it all in together. So we're gonna take all of these items here and put it in a new bowl.
I'm mixed up money. Oh, we're in the kitchen.
So then what you do,
Remember,
you just-
safety
yeah.
first in the kitchen.
Yes.
It's gross.
You should taste it.
It don't taste very good.
We're gonna add one more can in there.
Kitchen melts out of
Right hands, go ahead. There you go. Now, we're gonna add the eggs. Pow! Okay, go ahead. Yeah, you can just hand me the shells. I'll be your sous chef.
How much?
Let's do
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 for right now.
Okay.
I'm killing it right now.
Do it.
Perfect.
Like that!
Let's put 2 cans of carnation milk. Yep.
Smells like cereal.
This is vanilla.
Another one
We're
too?
gonna hold off on that one. Let's pour some vanilla in.
Oh, how nice.
Pour slowly.
Recipes.
Put some nutmeg.
No measurement.
I'm gonna give you old school. I don't have measurements on certain things. What you want is to get nice and spicy, right? Because we got so many potatoes that we're using. So we're trying to get everything in there. A little bit of pumpkin spice. Once I mix everything together, I can look at it and tell, and you'll be able to look at it and tell why.
Then you would have to start over if it wasn't good.
We're gonna make it good. So we're gonna mix that in. Got the butter in there. Okay, got it. Temperature rising, I don't wanna feel. I don't wanna face the grab the start getting in there. You can start pouring. Yeah. We just finished doing the batter.
We're stabbing holes in this thing. Oh, okay, you hold
You're-
it. Held it.
Mhm.
I assure you,
You're the
they're
first
all
person
dead.
I've ever allowed to really help me.
What do you mean?
I've never allowed people to help me make my pies.
What
You're
about
the
your
first.
dad?
My dad made the pies and he never allowed people to help him either. I just had to learn by watching. And then after he passed, then I started making the pies.
Oh.
Oh, I know that.
How did your dad die?
He died of a heart attack at 43 years old.
Really?
43. He was stressed.
I'm okay.
Okay.
What happened? Oh, your dad's 43?
You're 43, yeah.
He was young.
How old were you?
I was 21
When did your mom?
when she was 18.
Good. Well,
I'm here.
in different ways.
In what ways?
Did she go to school all the way?
She finished school. She finished high school.
She was in high school?
She was in high school when she had me. Yeah.
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. You don't see how young my mom is?
I didn't know that.
I know you didn't know that. My mom was 18. My dad was 21.
Okay. That's too young.
That's too young to have kids?
Yeah.
I agree.
What do you mean now you agree?
How old was I when I had Jalen?
I don't know.
How old was Auntie Nicole?
She was in college.
She was 20.
Well, at least that's older. Like in college, not high school.
Yeah, I know, right? What are you doing in high school? You ain't supposed to be doing those things in high school, right? That's right. That's right. We gotta put these in the oven.
9 minutes.
Like 10.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
So long.
So you ready to get them in?
Sure.
Alright, cool.
Why don't you get out of here, man?
Yeah. It's hard, but it's real.